What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're like me, you probably love traveling, and you probably dislike the act of packing because there's just a lot involved. It's really hard to shove everything in your suitcase. Well, how can you make that a little easier? The thing that I've found that helps me the most with packing the most amount of stuff into a smaller bag, because I need room for camera equipment and all that kind of stuff, are packing cubes. And today I wanted to talk about some of my favorite because these have been a standout from the dozens of packing cubes I've tried before. So let's take a look at them. Now these are the Peak Design packing cubes. I got these bad boys back when the travel backpack was, I'm pointing to it over there like you can see it. It's sitting on the wall over there. But I just realized you can't see that. Anyway, I got it when the travel backpack was being kickstarted, and I bought them in like all the sizes, got the shoe pouch and everything. And you know, the reason I got them over, before I had like Amazon packing cubes and everything, and they're fine, but they just didn't quite make things easy enough for me or squish things down far enough that it really made a difference from any other way I was packing. But these have a few features that I really like, and I've been absolutely enamored with them. And I decided to make this video to talk about it because we just got back from a trip, Heather and I, and on this past trip, I couldn't use my packing cubes because she finally realized how much better these are than her normal packing cubes, and she took all of mine. And so when we got back, I ordered them in a new color. I got them in the sage colorway. So we're going to talk about the features on them, the differences between the fabrics, because there are some, which surprised me, but we'll go into all of that. So stick around and I'll give you as much detail as I can about the Peak Design packing cubes. Now, all the packing cubes come in several sizes. You've got like a medium one and then a small one. And the medium's just a double-sized small one, so you can kind of figure out how to make things work. They're really good at dividing up and doing all of that. But where they really shine are the features on them. Like, the first thing is, one, they're very easy open. Like, you just pull the tabs and they're good to go. And it's just so nice. But then you also have, obviously, an expansion area. So you can make it nice and big, and then after you get everything packed up in here, you can squish it down to fit in your bag. So check it out. We've got some nice fall winter clothing here. We got some wool trousers, some corduroys, regular khakis, rugby shirt, and a button up that, you know, it's not thin stuff and it's big stuff because I'm a big dude, but you just stick it in here with it unzipped, and you come here and you close everything off. And what's great is, like, this could obviously fit more, but even with this, you know, it's this big now, unzipped. And all you have to do is come around and take this zipper and start closing it down. And you just work along as you go, because as it starts to close down, things will poof out like right here. But you just push them in and continue zipping. And these things have never been hard for me, which is part of what I like about it. The compression system on them is really, really good. But you just make your way around, pushing the things in and zipping things up. And you're done. And you're down to like about half the size you were before. And it's just so convenient to do this. And that's part of what I love about them. But you know, a lot of packing cubes do that. And so it's like, oh, well, what's great about them? Well, one, the build quality. Like, everything with Peak Design, the build quality is amazing. All the stitching, the fabrics, they're great. The zippers are great. And the zippers being so good are part of what make it so nice, because it's so easy to compress things down. And it's so easy to open and close things when you need it. And the fabric is nice. It's thin, but it feels robust. And I can say from these that I've used for years, they're still in great condition. And I haven't messed them up at all. And I've taken them all over the world, like literally all over the world. But another cool thing about them that I really appreciate is they have a separate side in them here for dirty clothes. So see, it never touches. And so as you use the clothes on this side, you can put them back into this side and you have them good to go. So if your hotel doesn't have like one of those laundry things, or if you're packing tight enough and light enough that you can't fit an extra like laundry bag in your setup to take back with you, or you know, you're not going to be long enough that you're going to do laundry there, because sometimes we'll be on trips and we'll just do laundry while we're there to kind of not have to worry with all that. But it's a great solution for that, and I really, really like it. Now, I want to get into the differences of the two types next, because these that came originally with the Kickstarter, the fabric's still the same today, but it's different from the fabric that's on the Sage colorway and that like white clear colorway. Like they both have the sort of, I don't know if you can see it, but the square grid design. And those differences don't seem to impact functionality at all, but they do feel different and present differently. So I just wanted to show them to you guys. Like this original fabric, this charcoal fabric, is thinner and like softer to the touch, but not hugely thinner than this newer fabric like on the Sage and that white colorway. This fabric is a little thicker, but it's nowhere close to as soft to touch. It's not like, I wouldn't say it's rough, but it's just like, it's like normal cotton versus Supima cotton is kind of the feel here. And it also has what I'm assuming are, with the weave here, is a ripstop design. And that's probably why they did it over this. So just in case, you could just be a little rougher with these, would be my guess on that. But like I said, lots of great features, lots of little handholds everywhere on all the sizes. And then you also have, somewhere around here, I've got a mess of these things. You also have shoe pouches, which are great. Like I've got them in both colors, and they're actually big enough for my size 13 foot. So most people are going to be able to wear these. Like obviously I can't put a pair of boots in these, which bummer, but I have a giant foot. I get it. So it's fine, but they're great because then you can just not have to worry about your dirty, stinky shoes touching everything. And they also even have this awesome little pouch right here that the shoe pouches specifically will fold down into and fold up just like this into this little tiny pouch for you to store when you're not using it. It's great. I mean, that's awesome. So love all the design on it. I mean, I've said it before, I feel like a broken record, but Peak Design, you know, design's in their name and they focus on it so well. They think about the needs of their customers and do just a great job with it. And these packing cubes aren't any different. I use these every trip I go on. They've become that essential to my travel needs. And I do that not because of brand loyalty or anything, but because the product is that good. If I found something better, I would use it. But for me and my needs and ease of use and all of that, I can't beat these things. So give them a shot if you want to. Obviously, I'm not sponsored. I bought these with my own money. This is just something I use all the time, and it makes the packing part of my travel, which I just do not like, so much easier. All right. See you out there. Bye.